Hi folks, and welcome back to part 2 of Cooking with Jerry. We're sitting here at the table and Jerry is cutting up vegetables. He's cutting up carrots and potatoes for our corned beef stew, Irish stew. And as you can see, that's a potato. Jerry, go ahead and cut the potato. Okay, he's going to cut the potato and cut it in half first. Cut it in half first. There you go. You got to push a little bit. Okay. Okay, we're going to... Okay, go ahead. Cut it in half again and then cut it into pieces, like 3 pieces across. You might want to turn that potato over. It's easier to cut if you turn it over. Okay, I meant with the flesh side up. That's okay. Yeah, the flesh side up. Hold on a second. Let's do this again. Hold on, boo. Let's do this again.